Hello guys, we're gonna go through today ByBit Tutorial for Beginners. If you have never used ByBit, this video is for you. Or maybe you want to go ahead and learn some new things. So if you will find this guide useful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now we're gonna go on ByBit. If you haven't signed up already, I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you can get a big bonus when you sign up from my link. Once you will do that, you will be sign up. Basically, you will be redirected to this homepage. Now, the same goes for the desktop version on your computer, but at the top you will see there's Exchange and a Web3 wallet. So these are a little bit different. If we would click on Web3, you will see here that you can go ahead and earn, trade a little bit, but it's a little bit different than on the exchange platform. There's some marketplace and also your wallet where you can go ahead, deposit, scan, choose a network you want to go ahead and use. So as I said, it's a little bit different. Today we're going to talk more about exchange one. So if you would click at the top left corner, you would see your profile here, and you will see that you can go ahead and click on security option. On security, you can go ahead and set up your Google 2FA. Make sure you do this so your ByBit account would be safe. Also do a withdrawal security, set up some passkeys and the passkeys for the application itself, fun password, biometric authentication. So basically, no one can actually log into your account. Now you can also go ahead and invite friends. Here you will earn some like 30% commission if they start trading and deposit some money. So that's where you can go ahead and copy your link or use a referral code and sign up. Now there's also some other options here, but the main ones are here. If you want to change your currency, for example, you're going to click on the gear icon at the top right corner. And here, once you scroll down, you can change your language, currency display, and so on and so forth. So once you will done with that, here you will see on the homepage all of these buttons like deposit, fiat deposit, P2P trading, rewards hub. Rewards hub is for earning some money here, a trading bot, and you can also go ahead and click on more. And from here you will see a lot of options. So these are the recommended ones. Here you can how you can buy crypto, how you can trade. As you can see, there's a copy trading bot. You can convert your cryptocurrencies and so on and so forth. Earn some, for example, ByBit Earn is for earning some extra income, like staking your currencies and so on and so forth. So these are all of the options. Now there are some markets, derivatives, and spot. So on spot, you can go ahead and buy some currency and exchange it. For example, for USDT, you can go ahead and click on convert and convert your currency here. On assets, you will see all of your assets which you have deposited or bought. So on deposit option, you will have an option to buy your crypto with your fiat currency, P2P trading, or deposit. And you can also go ahead and deposit crypto straightly from some other exchange like Binance, for example. So if you would click deposit crypto, then you need to go ahead and choose the currency you want to transfer. So for example, let's choose USDT, and you will have to choose a chain type. So make sure that you choose a chain type the same as on some other exchange. So if you would use, for example, Arbitrum1 chain type, you need to choose the same Arbitrum1 chain type on other exchange platform. And that's how you can deposit your crypto. Now, the withdrawal process is also quite similar. You choose a currency, then you enter the address, choose a network, enter the amount, then you will see how much it will cost you and click withdraw. Transferring, this is for transferring your currency from funding account to unified trading account. and also again convert option. So that's pretty much it about ByBit. You can also deposit fiat just like so by payment method like SEPA transfer, easy bank payment, and Zen. So these are the options for me, at least. You can also go ahead and buy cryptocurrency with just one click buy. You go ahead, choose the currency, and then you can go ahead and buy it again with your bank account. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.